Hey, BreitWerks here. How do you know it's summer? Well, stuff starts showing up with AC problems. So this is probably our first week where it's, you could have dealt with it. But what do we got? We got a 2017 Macan, and we got about 40 PSI on the low side, 150 on the high side. That is not terrible. That's not that bad. Ambient. Right now it's 83 degrees, so low side could come down a little. But what we're going to do is, I sniffed it for leaks, didn't find anything, but we're going to evacuate it and see how much is in there, because there is a little sticker that tells us there should be 575 grams in there. And these Macans, I don't know, rumor has it they have a tendency to leak a little bit. So it's been 7 years. We'll check it. It was 6 years. We'll check it. And, I'm not seeing anything that's really leaking, but we're going to get on with it, see what we find. All right, so here's where things get a little murky. So we're under 500 grams. I'm sorry, under 400 grams. We know it needs to be 575, right? So my max certification, mobile air conditioning service certification, they taught us that you gotta find the leak. And I sniffed this little lady and all kinds of stuff. So I guess I'm gonna have to go see if there is a permissible leakage rate over a number of years. Now, I have read something about a couple of the lines going bad. So I think what we're going to do on this guy is we're just going to fill her with the correct amount of Freon. We're going to put some dye in there, and we're going to call it a diagnostic. But yeah, pretty interesting that 400 grams versus the 575. So we were 20+% down. Would that cause a cooling issue? You bet your bottom dollar it would. All right, we're gonna get it put back together. I'm gonna run a back test first, and then we'll put the 575 back in it, and we'll let you know what happens. All right, well, 48 degrees, it's still going down, and it was the passenger side that was not blowing cold. The driver's side was blowing cold. So 47 degrees, we're on max AC. Everything's synced. We got the recirc on, and now we're under 47 degrees. I'm going to take that. I don't know how far down it'll go, but we are not going to hang out here and bore you with that. But 46.4.2, stabilizing down there. So yeah, 2017, and there were no leaks. It passed 2 vacuum tests, 30 minutes each. So who knows? Maybe what's that? 6 years. We lost some fluid, but or refrigerant to be proper, and we're gonna call that good. So we're gonna button this guy up, send her home, and will we hit 44? Will we hit 44? Almost. I guess we're gonna have to leave you all here at 45 degrees. But 45 degrees, there we go, 44.8. Fantastic. Have a wonderful day, and check us out at BreitWerks.com. Thanks for watching.